everyone, this is Valerie Chowning with RV Sales in Moriarty, New Mexico, and I'm going to show you how to recalibrate your auto leveling on your Arctic Fox with your Lippert or LCI Ground Control 3.0 system. Our customer was complaining on this new rig that once they got it out to their first campsite, they noticed that it was always a little nose high. So they brought it back into the shop. What we did is we made sure that it's nice and level. We used a 6-foot level on the inside to make sure that it's nice and level before we start. And then what I want you to do is I want you to walk up to your ground control system. As you'll notice, the power is turned off. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to push the front button 7 times. Then the bottom button, the rear button, 7 times. So now it says 0-point calibration. Press enter to set it. And since we know it's already level front to back and side to side, we're going to go ahead and set enter to set it. It's going to check and make sure that it likes it. And now it says that it's successfully set. Again, this is Valerie at RV Sales in Moriarty, New Mexico, showing you how to recalibrate your auto level system, your ground control 3.0 made by Lippert or LCI.